Hello and welcome. Please sit comfortably. Take a slow breath. Today I will tell you a calm and gentle story. This story is for listening. You do not need to hurry. This is the story of three gifts on New Year's Eve. It was the last evening of the year. The city was bright and warm. Lights were everywhere. People were walking on the streets. Some people were laughing. Some people were shopping. Soft music came from the stores. The air felt special. Ayan was coming home from work. He walked slowly. He felt tired but peaceful. The year had not been easy for him. He worked hard every day. Sometimes he felt proud. Sometimes he felt lonely. As Ayan walked, he looked at the lights. He thought about the year that was ending. This year taught me many things, he thought quietly. Near the corner of the street, Ayan saw a small shop. The shop was not big, but it looked warm and welcoming. Yellow lights shone through the window. Inside, there were many small items. Ayan stopped walking. He did not know why, but he felt curious. I will just look, he said to himself. Ayan opened the door and went inside. The shop was quiet. Soft music played in the background. Behind the counter stood an old shopkeeper. He had kind eyes and a gentle smile. Good evening, the shopkeeper said softly. Good evening, Ayan replied. Ayan walked slowly around the shop. He saw books. He saw small boxes. He saw simple gifts. Then he noticed a small table. On the table were three gifts. They were not big. They were not shiny. But they felt special. Ayan moved closer. The first gift was a small clock. It was old but clean. The ticking sound was soft. The second gift was a small notebook. It had a brown cover. The pages were empty. The third gift was a small box. Inside the box was a mirror. Ayan looked at the three gifts. He felt calm. He felt curious. These gifts look simple, Ayan said. The shopkeeper smiled. They are simple, he said, but they are important. Ayan looked at the shopkeeper. What do they mean? He asked. The shopkeeper picked up the clock. This clock, he said, is about time. Time is quiet, the shopkeeper continued, but it moves every day. Many people waste time, he said. They wait, they worry, they forget to live. Ayan listened carefully. Use your time kindly, the shopkeeper said. Rest when you are tired, work when you are strong. The shopkeeper put the clock down. Then he picked up the notebook. This notebook, he said, is for new beginnings. Every empty page, he continued, is a new chance. Write your dreams, he said. Write your thoughts. Write your small goals. Ayan nodded slowly. Finally, the shopkeeper picked up the mirror. And this, he said softly, is for you. This mirror helps you remember, he said, who you are, who you were, and who you can become. Ayan felt quiet inside. He did not speak. After a moment, Ayan said, I would like to buy these three gifts. The shopkeeper smiled. You already have them, he said gently. Ayan looked surprised. But you must carry them with care, the shopkeeper added. Ayan thanked the shopkeeper. He paid and took the gifts. As he walked out, the door closed softly behind him. Outside, the city was louder now. People were counting down the minutes. Ayan walked home. At home, he sat near the window. He placed the gifts on the table. Fireworks began in the sky. Colors filled the night. Ayan picked up the clock. He listened to the ticking sound. He thought about his time. He thought about his days. I will not rush so much, he said quietly. He placed the clock back. Then he opened the notebook. He held the pen in his hand. For a moment, he waited. Then he wrote one sentence. This year, I will be kind to myself. He closed the notebook. Finally, Ayan opened the small box. He looked into the mirror. He saw his tired face, but he also saw strength. He smiled. "I am still here," he said. The clock struck midnight. The new year began. Fireworks filled the sky. Ayan felt calm. He felt ready. Sometimes the best gifts are not expensive. They help us understand life. Thank you for listening. Take a deep breath and welcome the new year calmly.